Gila casta chla nuga kamanawadzi yaklach yelis yaklach nomris. Lachlach yelis chotnalach I achalachin glwins mit myant lacha Kla'ati Kla'atlin Kachta Hui mit myant chotnalach. So I'm on my way home again. Actually went shopping, so that's the stuff in the back there. If you're wondering, I don't just eat junk food all day. No, I do. I'm off to go do some interviews this afternoon, and then I think I'm just going to stay home for a couple days in Alert Bay. Let's just get straight into it. Okay, I was just going to try to babble off and go off about whatever, but okay. So the letters, the consonants of the day are TS, and how you pronounce TS is tss. Let's go tss. And I like to say that it's almost like, you know, when you're hearing like a tire or like a balloon, or no, not a balloon, maybe like one of those blow up bed things, and they're just like they're airing down. It's like tss. You know. Okay, so we're going to use that consonant. TS is considered one letter in the Kwak alphabet, and I'm talking about the Umista orthography. Okay, so let's practice with our vowels. And our vowels, quick run through: A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Good job. Okay, so we're going to use TS, combine it with the vowels, okay? So ta, t, te, ti, to, tu. Again, ta, t, te, ti, to, tu. One more time. Ta, t, te, ti, to, tu. Good job. Okay. The next letter is going to be a little bit more tricky, and I hope my teeth is going to cooperate today. So it's called an explosive TS. Okay, so it goes tss. How you get gachan? Your tongue actually sits behind your teeth. So the other one is tss. This one is tss. Okay, it's more an explosive sound. Okay, so let's practice one more time. Okay, so I like to say, like, you know, when you're opening a pop and you hear the sound, that the first sound it makes, okay, or if you were to burn your finger, okay, so those are that's how I'm able to tell the difference, and I was able to teach kids that way. Okay, let's practice. So we'll combine the consonant explosive TS with all the vowels, okay? So a, t, t, o, tu. Again, a, t, o, tu. Again, a, t, o, tu. Good job. Okay, let's do them back to back, okay? So we're going to do TS first, and then explosive TS, okay? So ta, t, te, ti, to, tu. Ta, t, ti, to, tu. Good job. Okay, and I'm going to add one more. I'm actually just getting home to it. Wait, hold on. Let's quickly try to finish, okay? Because I'm going to be off to work. I won't be able to get back to you guys till the end of the day if I don't. So the word, the letter that actually gets mixed up with this is actually the DZ. So the DZ is Z, Z, okay? So let's do those three back to back so you can hear the difference, okay? So za, z, ze, zi, zo, zu. Again, za, z, ze, zi, zo, zu. Ta, te, te, ti, to, tu. Tsa, tse, tse, ti, to, tu. Za, ze, ze, zi, zo, zu. Ta, te, te, ti, to, tu. Tsa, tse, tse, ti, to, tu. Okay, so those, you have to really watch they have to watch their mouth when they're talking, so you're able to see. You really have to hear for those explosives, or whether it has a little buzz, or if it's just sounding like tss, right? So we'll continue to practice with these sounds. We'll build words. We will practice different ways of pronouncing it, hearing it at the front, the middle, or the end of sentences. And yeah, you're all doing very good. Keep practicing these sounds. The more we practice, the easier our tongue will get used to it. And that's why I was teasing my buddy Joy Duck last night. I was like, you have to do some tongue exercises, you know, like, because sometimes when we're away from Kwak too long, your tongue's not used to it, right? So you really literally have to practice. And that's why I really appreciated the phonology classes that we took, because we practiced it. We practiced so many different ways of pronouncing different letters of the world, right? And letter combinations. And yeah, how my granny got our tongue used to Kwak before we started our day. She said shi sha shu, shi sha sho, shi sha shi, shi sha she. You know, so she would do all these different exercises, like, you know, we had to practice those sounds in the back and at the front, and the regular English letters. And actually, some of those English letters actually do change when you're adding vowels to it. So we're not getting into that yet. We're gonna just do the basics here. Okay, so ta, ta, te, 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 ti, ti, to, to, tu, tu. Okay, so keep practicing those, and even bring that DZ in there. If you go back in my videos, you can hear how the DZ is pronounced. So have fun while you're learning. Lakshan la kwakwaliguk. Hotnalach. Halakasla, Lachwala Nukunklus, Bilakastokla.